I'm a young carer and seeing my sibling happy is the passion I put in every day.
I'm the young carer smiling to hide the stress.
I'm the young carer who has to bring my mother round when she collapses.
I'm a young carer in the window watching my friends work for the evening.
I'm a young carer who is late for school because I'm looking after my twin brother with autism.
I'm the young carer looking worried because my mum is alone at home.
I'm a young carer that hardly goes out.
I'm the young carer at hospital with my sister.
I'm the young carer that is back and forth the shop at least 5 times a day.
I'm the young carer learning new things to help my role.
I'm the young carer getting bullied from my mum.
I'm the young carer coping without enough money.
I'm the young carer who is failing at school. I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
I'm a carer.
I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer.
I care. I'm a young carer. I'm a young carer.
I care.
I'm a young carer.
I'm a young carer. I'm a young carer.
I care.
I'm a young carer. I'm a carer. I'm a young carer. I'm a young carer. I care. I'm a young carer. I care.
I'm a young carer.
If you're a young carer, ask for help. If you're not, then understand that we are.